Hey there, future YouTube entrepreneur. Are you ready to dive into one of the most exciting online business models in just 10 minutes? YouTube automation is changing lives. And the best part? You don't need to show your face, spend hours filming, or even be a tech genius. Stick around because I'm breaking it all down, step by step, in this quick no-fluff guide. Step 1. Understanding YouTube automation. So, what exactly is YouTube automation? Simply put, it's running a faceless YouTube channel as a business. You focus on outsourcing tasks like script writing, voiceovers, video editing, and thumbnails while you manage the big picture, choosing a niche, uploading content, and optimizing for growth. Think of it like being the CEO of a YouTube empire without ever stepping in front of the camera. Faceless channels can earn $1,000, $10,000 per month with proper strategy. Doesn't that sound amazing? Now let me show you how to build this from scratch. Before we dive into the details, let me quickly introduce you to Trimspot Creations. We are a professional YouTube automation agency, and we specialize in taking your YouTube channel to the next level. Whether you're just starting out or scaling up, we provide video editing, thumbnail designing, script writing, voiceovers. If you're serious about automating your channel and building a brand that stands out, Trimspot Creations is here to help. Check out the link in the description to learn more and get started. Step 2. Picking the right niche. The first step is choosing a niche that's both profitable and something you are somewhat interested in. Look for niches with 1. High demand. People are already searching for it. 2. Evergreen potential. Content that stays relevant for years. 3. Monetization opportunities, like affiliate marketing, ad revenue, or digital products. Examples: finance channels teaching how to save money, top 10 lists about tech gadgets, or fitness tips anyone can follow. Pro tip: use tools like Google Trends and TubeBuddy to find trending topics. Step 3. Creating a content strategy. Once you pick your niche, it's time to plan your content. A solid strategy includes video ideas. Use keywords like best, how to, or top 5 to attract viewers. Consistency. Post at least 1-2 times per week to grow quickly. Keyword research. Tools like VidIQ and Ahrefs help you find topics your audience is searching for. Remember, content doesn't have to be complicated. Keep it simple but valuable. Example, video idea, top 10 side hustles for beginners. Step 4. Building your team. You don't have to do this alone. The beauty of automation is outsourcing. Start by hiring freelancers to handle. 1. Script writing. Find talented writers on Fiverr or Upwork for $10-$30 per script. 2. The voiceovers. A professional voice adds credibility and costs about $20 per video. 3. Editing. Editors can transform basic content into engaging videos for $30-$50. Budget-friendly tip. Start small and scale as you earn revenue. Focus on building a reliable team that fits your budget and quality expectations. Step 5. Tools you need. Running a YouTube automation business requires the right tools. Editing. Tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut. Thumbnail design. Canva is a beginner-friendly option. Analytics. YouTube Studio helps track your growth and optimize your content. With these, you'll be equipped to create polished videos that stand out. Don't forget, thumbnails and titles are 50% of a video's success. Step 6. Uploading and optimizing videos. Now it's time to upload. Optimization is key here. 1 is titles. Use keywords people are searching for. Example: how to start drop shipping in 2024. 2. Tags. They still matter. Use 5 to 10 relevant keywords. 3. Description. Add links to affiliate products or your website. 4. Thumbnails. Make them bold and clickable. Upload on a regular schedule and experiment with different formats to see what works best. Step 7. Monetizing your channel. Finally, let's talk about the money. Here's how you can monetize your channel. 1. Ad revenue. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to qualify for YouTube's partner program. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products in your niche and earn commissions. 3. Sponsorships. Brands will pay for shoutouts once you grow an audience. Pro tip: diversify your income streams early for stable growth. That's it. You're now equipped to start your YouTube automation business in just 10 minutes. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, the results can be life-changing. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Let's build your YouTube empire together.